I was not forced to make this video. Hey guys, it's me, Matthew, and welcome to the first episode of our Unity game design course on Decoders. If you guys watched the intro video, you already know what to expect, but if you haven't, you should be expected to know all the basics of Unity by the end of this course. So let's get started. What is Unity? Unity is a game engine, which is defined as a basic software for creating video games. Thousands of games are made in Unity, some that you probably already heard of. Some examples are Among Us, Cuphead, Beat Saber, all of the classics. Now that we got Unity defined, let's jump into getting started with Unity. You'll start by typing up Unity download into Google and click the first link you see. Depending on what kind of operating system you're using, download whichever matches it. A Unity setup file should appear to start downloading. Basically, once you've downloaded it, open it up and you'll be greeted with this screen. Click agree and it'll start downloading. It's usually about 5 GB, so just make sure you have 5 GB to save on your computer. You can basically do this by searching up storage settings on your computer search bar. Alright, when you're done, you can open up Unity, which should have appeared as a shortcut on your desktop. Oh, and don't mind my wallpaper. You'll be meeting this screen, so just click create new account and link your email address to it. You made an account. You should be brought to this screen with projects on it. To the left, you'll see 4 categories that you can click on. When you click on installs, it shows you what version of Unity you installed. In this case, I have the 2022.3.47F1 version. For you, as you just started using Unity, it should say something like downloading Unity version or something. That just means this is still being installed. Next, you can see the Learn section. Basically, it's just tutorials and beginner stuff. Feel free to check them out, but they won't be covered in this video. Finally, we got Community. This is basically just community content related to Unity. You can see the Unity Asset Store here, which is something we'll be covering in the later episodes. Alright, and that concludes our first video on Unity. It's a bit short, but there's going to be a lot more videos for you to be able to watch, so stay tuned.